Hello, this is Honey. Welcome back to our What to Buy with 26,000 won. Today we are going to Namdaemun Market. So with the first 5,000 won, we will have the mandu here. We have to stand in the line to get it. They only have two menus, the meat one and the kimchi one.
What?
Why nobody helps me?
감사합니다. Wow. So I got 3 of the meat one and 2 for the kimchi one for 5,000 won. Really hot. So I will try out the meat mandu here. This is the meat one. This is the kimchi one. I will try the meat one first. Ooh. Ooh.
Nice.
They will have the meat, some noodles, and the onion. I like the meat inside. I think I can give this one 8 out of 10. So the kimchi one, it looked a little bit red, so I think it will be spicy. I think it's still the same with the cookie regular one, but they add some kimchi inside. Help! Spicy. I think I like the regular meat more. It's a little bit spicy for me. This one should be 7 out of 10. So the next one we will eat the fish cake. So next we will have the fish shaped cake here. It's really famous in this Namdaemun Market. The 사장님이 really cute. 사장님. 사장님.
I am so busy. Don't you see?
이거 할게요. 다 2개, 슈크림 2개요.
밥 2개, 슈크림 2개요.
네.
여보 크림이고요.
네.
크림,
와.
밥, 네.
So we have the red bean one here and the custard. I think I will start with the custard one. It's so hot. Wow. It smells so good. It's very crispy outside and juicy inside. Try the next one. I think it will be sweet.
One 1,000 years later.
So hot. This one's the same, like crispy outside and juicy inside. the red bean flavor is really red bean flavor.
What?
But I think I will like the custard more. It will be 9.5 out of 10. I like this. So in this store, they also sell the fresh juice. I got the orange juice here. Really fresh. It's not so sour, but not too sweet. I like this one. This one is also 9 out of 10. Okay, so after we eat everything here, we have 14,000 won left. What will we do?
I don't know.
I think we need to bring it home.
What? What the
Because it's really late today in the Namdaemun Market and they already closed all the store. So I think we can save money for the next time. We fail in eating, but we succeed on saving our money. Hi.
Okay.
So with
14,000 won.
we can also spend it for the mobile bill for the whole month we eat. So see you next time in the next episode. Bye bye. He's so cute.